Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and we bought our Yukon Denali with a bench seat so that we didn't have the captain chairs, and we did that on purpose. But I did have a viewer ask me if you did have captain chairs or already had another car seat in the middle, will the other car seats fit rearward facing on the sides? And so they wanted me to take a few measurements, and I figured this would make a good video. So what I wanted to show you is there is a lot of room still left over with my wife in her position. So I'll show you both here. But where my wife drives, it comes out to about 4.5 inches space between the back of the driver's seat and the car seat. Okay, and so my wife's, she's under 6 feet, so she's not short. She's kind of medium on height. And so what I wanted to do is show you as well when we put it in my position, which I am 6 feet exactly. Okay, so I'm not a giant, but I'm probably pretty similar or to the higher range where most people would want to know. With me in my position, it comes out to be pretty much one hand's length is what you're going to fit in here. Okay, and that's going to come out to about 1/2 inch to 1 inch worth of space. So there still is enough room. It's good to put a mat or something between it so it's not rubbing and all that. But again, that's with me being 6 feet tall. So hopefully this video showed you a little bit of the dimensions here. I really don't think it's going to be a problem for most people unless you're really tall. And I even took some other measurements here just to show you. So, from the brake pedal to the seat in my position is 20 inches, which is a fair amount of room. That's a lot of space. Okay, and spot number 2 for my wife, that position was about 17.5 inches, which is still a good amount of space. And that's giving you plenty of room, of course, on the car seat. But let me show you too, if you put the seat all the way back, it goes back a lot farther than you might think. I mean, it goes back so far that it would almost, hit the back seat. So don't be too concerned with that. It's giving you, 23 or 24 inches here worth of room, which, I mean, that'd be really hard to stretch your legs out to that amount. You'd have to be really, really tall. And with that said, of course, you wouldn't fit a car seat right behind it much either if you look at that compared to the other seat. And again, forward facing isn't going to be a problem pretty much at all, no matter how far the seats are back. But if you're in the market for looking one of these cars, bring a car seat with you. Maybe you don't have the car seat yet, so I understand that. So this is just kind of a basic overview of how it's going to fit. We really don't have any problems with it making it fit with me being 6 feet tall. But of course, that might be a different situation for you. So bring a car seat with you if you can on test drives and put it in there and do all the different configurations, because otherwise you're kind of stuck with it from that point on. If you own the car, you'd have to buy a different car seat that works a little bit better, or just have to be forward and hunched up. But anyway, this one doesn't make us pushed up against the dashboard or anything like that, so we have plenty of room. So anyway, put in the comments if you have any other questions, and hopefully I answered most of them for you. Please check the video description for my installation videos on forward and rearward facing car seats. Very informative and in-depth. And if you're at all new to the channel, welcome, and please subscribe, and I'll put playlists in the video description for more videos. Thanks for watching.